Welcome back to a section where we learn about conditional expressions. If you ever made some code, you're familiar with the if-else statements. While the SQL does not provide direct if-else statements, except in the PL/SQL of the Oracle database, we have something similar where we can make conditional expressions directly in the SQL. The first one we're gonna learn is the case statement. So in our example on the HR schema, if we look at the regions table, we got 4 rows. So what if we want in one row to present if the region name is Europe or Asia to be outputted as Euro-Asia, and if it's some other, print out as not Euro-Asia. So here comes the solution to that with the case statement. The syntax is as following. It is starting with a case keyword, the field we are looking at, to which conditions are going to be applied, followed by when some value that is being compared in our example to region name. So when region name is Europe, then print out Euro-Asia. The same applies when it's Asia, it prints out Euro-Asia, and in every other condition, we are using the else keyword and printing out the not Euro-Asia. And at the end, we have to add the end keyword, which signifies this is the end of the case statement. So when we execute this, we can see that for region name Europe, it's gonna output it is really Euro-Asia because the region name has been compared with the Europe, and this is true, and it's gonna print out Euro-Asia. For the Americas, region name, it is not equal to any of the when statements, so it's gonna print out the default one, which is the not Euro-Asia. Very simple. Of course, we can make comparison with any other data type. So for example, if our field to which we make comparison would be a number, we could also write a number over here and then output whatever we want. Not to forget that the else part is optional. So we can practically remove this. And in this case, if no condition is met, as in we are not covering it with the when, the output is gonna be as null. So when I execute this, you're gonna see that for Americas and Middle East and Africa, our output is null. Very simple. This is it for this one, and see you in the next one.